Hey everyone, if you're doing a computer build and you've run out of system fan headers, also called chassis fan headers for your fan, you might actually be wondering whether you can just connect this to your CPU pump header instead. But will that actually work, and is there anything you need to be aware of? Well, the short answer is yes, that should work. I've actually done it with 2 different computer builds recently. I've done it with an ATX build and I've done it with this mini ITX build. And it will work, but the problem is that the motherboard will have an opinion about how that fan should run. So you've connected this to your CPU pump header. Some motherboards will say this should run at 100% speed, because after all, the CPU pump is designed to run at maximum speed, and then you can control things, or the pump can control itself. But in general, you're not going to want to have your CPU pump with your liquid cooled setup running at like 10% speeds. That wouldn't make sense. So many motherboards by default will spin this at 100% when you actually plug it into your CPU pump. What you've then got to do is go into the motherboard and actually try and change the settings. And you've got to hope that your motherboard does allow you to do this. And luckily, both of my current computers do actually allow me to do that, but some of them might not. But what you should do is go into the BIOS, look up the cooling or the CPU fans, and in there should be a CPU pump option, and hopefully you should be able to actually change how it runs. And ideally you should be able to set the CPU pump to be PWM mode, and then that will work as you would expect. So you can then configure this to run at like 0% speed or 10% speed or 50% speed, depending on, your actual CPU temps and things like that. So yeah, hopefully your motherboard in the BIOS will actually allow you to do that. If it doesn't though, then it's just a lottery. It might be that your case fan is going to run at 100% all the time, which wouldn't be ideal, or it might be that sometimes it doesn't run at all, which obviously isn't ideal either. So yeah, just double check if you are planning on doing it. Go into your BIOS and double check you can actually override the options, and many motherboards will allow you to do that, but you do need to be aware of that. And hopefully that makes sense. But if you've got any further questions, please drop me a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.